How long do hybrid car batteries last? If you are a teenager thinking about getting a hybrid car, you might wonder how long those batteries really last. This is an important question because it affects your driving experience and future costs. Hybrid cars combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor, which means they can be more fuel efficient and better for the environment. Generally, the battery in a hybrid vehicle is designed to last between 8 to 10 years, or about 100,000 to 200,000 miles. But what influences how long the battery actually lasts? First, let's talk about driving habits. If you often drive in stop-and-go traffic, which is common in cities, that can wear down the battery faster. On the flip side, if you practice smooth driving, you can help extend its life. Next, climate plays a big role. In very cold weather, the battery may not perform as well. Conversely, extremely hot temperatures can cause the battery to wear out more quickly. So, if you live in an area with extreme weather, keep that in mind when considering a hybrid car. Maintenance is another key factor. Regular servicing and proper care can really help your hybrid battery last longer. Simple things like keeping the battery clean and ensuring the cooling system is working well can make a difference. Now let's talk about costs. While hybrid batteries are built to last, replacing them can be expensive. Genuine replacement batteries can cost quite a bit, but there are also aftermarket options that might be more affordable. Choosing a hybrid car also has environmental benefits. These vehicles produce fewer emissions than traditional gasoline cars, which is something many teenagers care about. Plus, even though hybrid cars can be more expensive upfront, they often save you money in the long run through lower fuel costs and less frequent maintenance. So, when you are thinking about getting a hybrid car, weigh the benefits against the costs. Understanding how to take care of the battery will help ensure your vehicle remains efficient and reliable for years to come. A hybrid car can be a smart choice for teens who want to be responsible car owners while also being kind to the planet.